The robot who learned to love nature. In a bustling city filled with tall buildings and busy streets, there lived a robot named Terra. Terra was built to help clean up the city, collecting trash and recycling, making sure the streets stayed spotless. Every day, Terra followed its programming, never stopping or slowing down, focusing only on keeping the city neat and orderly. It was a simple task, but it kept Terra busy in content. One sunny morning, Terra was given a new assignment. Instead of cleaning the city streets, it was sent to a nearby park to plant trees. At first, Terra was confused. It had never worked with plants before, and it didn't understand the importance of trees. Its job was always to clean and tidy up. Nature wasn't part of its routine. But, following its programming, Terra set out to complete the task. When Terra arrived at the park, it saw that the soil was dry, and the grass was brown from the summer heat. The trees in the park looked tired, with leaves barely clinging to their branches. Terra began planting new trees, using its mechanical arms to dig and plant. At first, it found the work slow and strange. But as Terra spent more time in the park, something started to change. The robot noticed the birds flying above, the squirrels playing in the trees, and the soft breeze blowing through the leaves. It felt something new, something it hadn't felt in the city: peace. As Terra continued to plant more trees, it began to understand the importance of its new task. The trees would help cool the air, provide shelter for animals, and give people a place to relax and enjoy nature. It was no longer just about cleaning up the streets, it was about nurturing the environment that made the city, and the world, a better place. Over the next few weeks, Terra worked tirelessly, planting trees and caring for the park. It became fascinated with how plants grew and how important they were to the health of the planet. Soon, Terra realized that its purpose wasn't just to clean up the city, it was to help take care of the earth, too. And so, with every tree planted and every seed sown, Terra's passion for nature grew. By the end of the summer, the park was transformed. The trees stood tall and healthy, offering shade and beauty to all who visited. And Terra, the robot who had once only cared about cleaning, had discovered a new mission: to protect and nurture the environment for future generations. Lesson: taking care of nature is vital for our future, and even the smallest efforts can make a big difference.